I'm going to be changing the stock stereo to an aftermarket one. I'm in a 2002 GMC Sierra. First step is to put your parking brake on. Turn it on like so. Drop that into the lowest gear. Shut the door. And then make sure the steering wheel's all the way down. And then should be able to pull this whole dash piece off. And it lifts up. With the dash piece removed, you're able to get to this. All you do is you gotta push this tab far enough down to clear right here. And there's one back here also. And then you pull it out. Like so. Okay. And then you're able to get to the antenna. And there is a piece right here for the wire harness that you gotta push down and pull out. Like so. Once the stereo is removed, I have a wire kit for this, so I plugged in the antenna adapter, and I plugged in this. Now I'm going to take the wire from this new stereo and wire that onto here. Okay, I have the stereo plug all hardwired in. I used these quick connectors. I have the antenna adapter piece put on. I have the dash kit all put together. Now I'm going to run the wires through the dash kit. Have it all in place. Now I'm going to take the new stereo. It's a dual. I'm going to plug in the wire and the antenna, and then slide this into place. Now this is in place. Gonna put the trim on. And put the faceplate on. And it works. Now I'm gonna put this back on, and the new stereo's in all the way. And put it back into park. And it's done.